very simply, I'm going to teach you how to put on one of the buckle-up watches, like the watch that you have to buckle up to put on. So first, pick your, for instance, pick your hand where you can actually see the watch and the watch is comfy for you. So I like this hand, my right hand, because I can actually see the watch. Here, see the watch. Okay? So, first, put it how you like it. And then, take it, lift it up, put your hand here, and take this strap, put it through this thing, pull it, find the right hole for you, okay, and then see this little latchy thing here, put it right there, should go through the hole, and push it down, and then slide it through there. Then pull it. See this thing? You can slide so it doesn't stick there. And then there you have your watch. So how to set the time? Just look at your clock. And then ask your parents for help because they know how to tell the time. So yeah. Bye.